want to share this with all my friends on Facebook. So they can click that and share your entire website with Facebook. And you'll sign up with them, you'll get your own share this code.
And this is free as well.
This is free as well. Yeah. Everything I do is pretty much free. If it's not, I'll let you guys know. I get all this free stuff. I don't try to pay for anything. Basically, you'll fill everything out, and then it'll give you the code. I already have mine, so it's not gonna let me do it. But that's it. You'll get the code, and just place it. I would place it in a good spot, probably either at the very top right-hand side, like everyone does. That's probably the best place I could say to put it, is the top right-hand side. It's kind of out of the way, but still in view for everyone to see and be able to click it. And you can customize the widget however you want. I would do the typical, you know, MySpace, Facebook, Twitter, email,
Yeah.
and that's probably it. Just keep it simple. You'll get probably better results like that. Basic HTML. I left this part kind of open in case you guys had any coding, you know, that you guys wanted to kind of hear. No, I mean I don't know all the coding. I put on there a great website to go to if you guys have any coding issues. It's w3schools.com. They have everything from HTML, CSS, I mean JavaScript. If you want to learn how to do it, you can learn it all there, and it's all free. You do it from step by step, and they teach you how to do everything. So that's where I learned a lot of my information from. It's really good stuff.
I remember I used to hand code 12 years ago.
Oh really? See, I used to know coding really good a long time ago.
Yeah, I don't remember.
I can't remember anything. It's all changed anyways now, though.
Yeah.
And really nothing is too much HTML. It's all like PHP and a lot of other crazier stuff compared to HTML. HTML now is really like tedious to code writers because you have to do it over and over again for every single command you want to write. For us, it's okay because it's just a couple of things, but for people that are designing 150 pages per website, that's too much work to do the same thing over and over again. So there's different ways that they write scripts now. So if you guys have any coding issues, you can check them out. I can guarantee that they're probably going to have the answer for you. If not, you can, find me on Facebook again and just shoot the question over. None of you have any questions about HTML though? Nothing at all? Good. Any questions at all about the class? Yeah, they hit on the nail there.
Good.
No problem. Thank you guys for attending. I think we're going to do a raffle now.
Yes, we are.
And
Was Jonathan incredible? I think we'll keep them, but we can rent them out maybe. We do have some of your cards. Did everybody put it in a card? Have a card we can put in for our drawing? Give everybody else's card, huh?
Ask for video, right?
yeah, I've been wanting to do it. I just haven't had the demand for it. Because I've only been doing video for a month, real heavy. But I know it's the wave of marketing, and people, I think, really need to start learning how to do it. And it's real easy. I mean, I can edit a video. It takes me about an hour and a half to edit a 2-hour video, but then you have something to post up every single day of the week. You always look fresh, everything looks new. And it's real easy to do.
Yeah, I was talking to him about doing that. I'm Antoinette, one of the leaders here at the Market Center, and about how blogging and video blogging. I've seen a lot of good sites where they'll have their camera in their car, and I'm driving to work, and this is what's going on today, and to me it's easy to talk, really easy to talk, as opposed to putting it down. So maybe in the next month or two, we'll do that. He'll show us how to put it on YouTube, how to blast it to where bloggers blast things to. I don't even know.
Yeah, that's becoming more and more evident.
Yeah.
Another thing too is
Driving
that
to work and, well, this is what I plan on doing.
Yeah.
another thing too. I know a lot of you guys probably watch my videos.
You hope.
Well, I think that's probably what gives me all the credit is people will see the videos and they get interested. But I know how I break everything down into 10-minute segments. I'm going to be starting an iTunes podcast, so you can just download the entire video in one segment. So you don't have to wait for me to upload the video. You can just subscribe and get the whole video onto your computer and watch it in one piece. So.
That's really good. And I was going to double check some of the places that I've seen where some of you are from. Ontario. Somebody came all the way from Ontario. Northridge.
You should get a book automatic.
I know. That's pretty something. That's really incredible. I'm like, Northridge, Ontario. Where else? I'm surprised too. The book we're gonna give out today, I think last week we had given out the Millionaire Real Estate Agent book, I'm almost sure.
I think we gave out one of each, but
Okay.
however you wanna do it.
So that's Millionaire Real Estate Agent book is a great book. If people have always asked, after you get your real estate license, that's barely tapping into getting into real estate. It's like, how do you start, where do you start, everything. So the Millionaire Real Estate Agent book, the red book by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan, is a great book to get. This is The Shift, which is also by Gary Keller, Dave Jenks, and Jay Papasan, which is, this last few years we've been in a shift, and we're constantly shifting. Every few months, we're shifting to short sales. Next couple of years, we're gonna be going to REO, so it's constantly shift. So this book tells you how to not lose pretty much your mind with all the shifting going on. The ones who stayed in the business, really, all other people have pretty much left. They don't want to work the short sales. They don't want to do what the market's doing right now. So these books are great. If you get a chance, pick up the red book, and we're going to give away 2 of the shifts right now. What do you have coming on tech-wise next week, John?
I think we're having a tech mastermind.
Oh, okay. So do
The
you
tech
want to explain
mastermind, we're just gonna basically come and just share all of our ideas, kind of pick each other's brains and see what's working, see what's not working, and just hear what everybody's doing, so.
to
You
create
guys can come and
business?
hear everything that I'm doing to generate leads, and that's fine too.
What is that?
It's next Wednesday, same time.
Usually we'll do all our technology training on Wednesdays, usually about 1 to 2:30. John did do one last Thursday, in the evening one. That was pretty much well received from like 4 to 5:30. But the Tech Mastermind is good because we'll have people like-minded that were like Jonathan, who'll be telling us a lot of things that are working because he's constantly testing everything that he's doing. Other agents in the office, and more than welcome to open it. We have it open to all other agents, what they're doing, what's working for them, and just sharing the wealth. There's enough business out there where we don't need to keep secrets to ourselves.
There are no secrets in this business.
Seriously. Our first winner is Alberto. There you go, Alberto Pacheco. And he is from, did you come all the way from Northridge?
Yes.
Congratulations, thank you for that. And you found him how? On his Facebook? How did you find out about the class?
Yeah, they invited me to come last week to the Craigslist and I messaged, and I have a question regarding Craigslist.
Okay, so you can ask him after that. Also, so just you befriended him on Facebook,
Facebook.
and then you got the advertising. Awesome. How many friends do you have on Facebook right now?
4,000.
Do you?
4,000.
Okay, so one of the ER guys, it's not the one that wrote on his card. Ricardo Fernandez. And he's local, he's just down the street. Congratulations. Oh, yes, definitely welcome. If you have any other realtor associates, that's our focus, to help the real estate community get on track on here. If you have any other questions for John, he'll be here, of course. And if not, again, check our postings on Craigslist, Facebook too. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, John, I do have a question about the IDX. You were saying last week about how when you had send people to your IDX, and then you have them click on, they can only do some limited searching, and then they have to contact you.
Yes.
How do you?
You have to log into your MLS Finder.
Okay.
You just put in your information. I'm sure you probably logged into it before.
Mm-hmm.
And you can go into it. You can set. Let me show you. I don't know if it's gonna. It probably looks something like this. I can show you what it looks like so you don't get lost.
Just so everybody knows, if you guys are Starbucks fans, at 3 o'clock they have happy hour, half off on Frappuccinos. We're very close right there.
So if you're using IDX and you guys want to change the way people can administer information off of it, you'll log in.
I've never used them in this one.
If you have IDX search and to integrate it in your website, you have this.
Okay.
This is automatically part of it. So I'm almost positive. I haven't really checked, but I just use the same login and ID for Tempo, I believe it is, and it's the same thing. So it works out. But if not, you can contact your IDX and they can give you a username and password. So we're SoCal, so you make sure you put the correct market on there.
Okay.
Most of us are probably going to be SoCal. Let me see.